Hello and welcome to PDF.co. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your PDF documents to JPG in your Google Drives with the help of PDF.co and Zapier. Before you actually perform the steps explained in this video, I would suggest that you make an account with PDF.co as well as with Zapier. You should also know how to connect Zapier with PDF.co account. If you do not know how to perform these steps, I have made a video that shows how you can connect with your Zapier account with PDF.co. The link to the video is available in the description. You can click that link and see how to connect PDF.co with Zapier. Let's now see how you can convert your PDF documents in Google Drive to JPG format. So first you have to log into your Zapier account. To do so, you have to go to zapier.com/app/login and enter your username and password, as I am doing here. The first step is to click Make a Zap. Here from the list of applications, you have to select your Google Drive. Then you have to select a trigger that basically fires whenever you upload a new document to your Google Drive. So the trigger here you have to select is New File in Folder. So whenever a new PDF document will be uploaded to this folder, this trigger or this Zap will fire. You have to click Continue button. Here you have to specify your Google Drive account. Again click Continue. Next you have to choose your drive from the list of drives. So I will select my Google Drive, and here you can select the folder in which the file uploaded will be converted to JPG file. So you can select your own folder. I will select this folder. Then you have to click Continue, and then you have to click Test Trigger to test if your trigger is successful or not. So your trigger has been successful. The next step is to attach this Google Drive Zapier with PDF.co. So click Continue, and from the list of apps here, click PDF.co. Here if PDF.co is not appearing, you can simply type PDF.co in the search box and you will see PDF.co in the list of the applications. So click PDF.co here. Here you have to choose the action event. Now you want to convert from PDF to JPG, so you will select PDF to anything converter. Click Continue. Here you have to select your PDF.co account. If you are logged in, your account will automatically appear here in the drop down list. So click PDF.co account and click Continue. In the PDF URL, select Embed Link and then simply click Continue. And then test and review. It takes some time to convert PDF to JPG. So the last step is to turn on your Zap. But before that, if you want to see your converted JPG file, simply click on the first link and go to the link. Here is the converted JPG file. Let me show you my actual file. So this is my actual PDF file. You can see this is in the form of PDF in my Google Docs, and the converted file is in the form of JPG here. So coming back, last step is to turn on the Zap. So click Turn on Zap and then click Share. Here you can share your Zap. I would simply add a name and description to the Zap. So click here. So you can write PDF JPG using PDF.co, and here you can simply write a description. This Zap converts the PDF documents to JPG format, and this is a very good Zap. This is just to fill the required characters, and then click Save. So this is it. This is how you can create a Zap with the help of PDF.co, which converts your PDF documents in Google Drive to JPG format. Thank you for watching.